Today, I will guide you through the 5 mini apps demonstration, starting off with the button interactions app. This app I have developed showcases a straightforward interface featuring 5 distinct buttons: top left, top right, bottom right, and a central image button. Clicking each button triggers a unique toast message. Clicking the top left button displays a toast message saying the top left button clicked. Likewise, clicking the top right button displays a toast message saying top right button clicked. When clicking the bottom left button, it displays a toast message saying bottom left button clicked. And when clicking bottom right button, it displays another toast message saying bottom right button clicked. When clicking the central image button, it displays center button clicked as toast message. The challenge arises in precisely positioning these toast messages at the corners due to the limitations within the toast class in Android. One potential solution that would have resolved this issue is the utilization of custom toast messages. Custom toast messages allow more precise control over positioning and customization compared to the default toast class in Android. Upon launching the app, a user-friendly interface is presented with header text, countries and cities, highlighted in bold and positioned at the center of the screen. As for country selection, there are 3 radio buttons: Spain, Italy, and France, displayed horizontally. Each button represents a country for selection. The logic I used here was radio group. Set on checked change listener method updates the city spinner. The city selection spinner is located right below the radio group. This spinner dynamically populates cities based on the chosen country. The method to be used here was update spinner with selected country method. Submit button is positioned at the center, prompting users to submit their selections. Finally, there is a text view. Initially hidden, it becomes visible after submission, displaying the chosen country in the preferred city. The method used here was visibility, view.visible on submit button click. Functionality overview. Radio group. Country selection. Upon selecting a country, the city spinner dynamically updates its contents, showing cities from the chosen country. Spinner allows users to pick a city from the list dynamically populated based on the selected country. The method used here was update spinner with selected country. Submit button triggers the display of selected country and city information upon click. On click listener for submit button. The hidden text view reveals the chosen country and city details after submission. Upon launching the app, you will see a catalog with 4 image buttons representing animals: dog, cat, otter, and red panda. This is displayed using horizontal scroll view. Image button click listeners. Clicking each button triggers the start of the animal detail activity, passing the animal's name as an extra. The animal detail activity is displayed using scroll view, showcasing animal name text view. This will display the text selected animal's name. Animal image view displays the image of the selected animal. Animal information text view will provide the detailed information about the selected animal. And finally, the go back button will enable the user to return to the main activity. The functionality overview. Image button click listeners trigger the intent to start animal detail activity with the respective animal's name passed as an extra. The method used for this is on animal button click method. The animal detail activity fetches the detailed information and the animal's image based on the received animal name extra from the animal activity. Methods used was get animal image and get animal info methods. The back button functionality allows the users to return to the main activity by finishing the current detail activity. On click listener for go back button. The challenges that I faced while developing this application was was to display the names of the animals alongside the image buttons in the main activity page. Despite this challenge, the app executed cleanly, providing the required details and demonstrating a seamless user experience. The login screen displays the username and password input fields. Dynamic character limit display for username and password fields. Error message prompt if the character count is less than 4. Submit and clear buttons for login actions. Displays the remaining attempts for login, initially set to 3. The welcome screen displays a welcome message. Shows the username of the logged in user. Logout button to return to the login screen. The functionalities are character limit handling, implemented dynamic character limit display for username and password fields, utilizing text watcher for real-time updates. Error handling, incorporated error messages when the character count in username password is less than 4, enhancing the user input validation. Login actions. Submit button redirects the welcome screen upon successful login, controlled by the on-click event listener. Clear button resets the input field by clearing the username and password text. Attempt control restricted login attempts to 3. Upon 3 incorrect attempts, the app closes. I will now be giving an overview of the calculator application. This app features a clean interface with 2 edit texts, one for operations and the other for input and output display. It includes numerical buttons from 0 to 9, basic arithmetic operators including addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, a clear button, and an equals button. The functionalities are as follows. Users can effortlessly input numbers and perform arithmetic operations seamlessly. When an operation is selected after the first number input, it's displayed in the operation field. Also, a custom toast message indicating that the first number has been selected will appear on the screen. Upon pressing equals, the app calculates and displays the accurate result promptly. A custom toast message indicating that the second number has been selected will also be displayed on the screen. Additional features. It also supports performing a chain of operations such as 55 plus 44 minus 22 times 2. That would give you 154.0. It also supports decimal points for precise floating point calculations. 25.50 plus 25.60. 51.1 is the correct answer. Thank you for joining me in exploring the calculator application. This marks the culmination of my series encompassing the 5 apps from button interactions to radio button and spinner interactions, a catalog of items, a login screen, and concluding with a calculator featuring chain operations. Each app has showcased unique facets of the Android app development.